I look forward to building a home with you, to laughing with you, to dreaming with you and serving God together. This I promise to you today and forever.
Mag Jesus alle eer ontvang uit ons huwelik uit.
Dames en here, kan ons asseblief 'n handeklap gee vir die eerste keer ooit, meneer en mevrou Maree.
Ja, dit raak nou malreël.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness. Hold on to me.
Julle huwelik is nie tussen Simeon en Kira alleenlik nie. 'n Huwelik kan slegs werk as dit Simeon, Kira en God is wat saam met julle ingeweef is in hierdie verhouding.
Kira, my vrou, vandag word jy bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh.
My dearest Timmy babes, today in the presence of God and all of these witnesses and with a joyful and thankful heart, I take you to be my husband. I choose this covenant not for my happiness alone but for my holiness.
Ek beloof om jou te voed en te was met die woord, sodat jy meer en meer kan word soos Jesus jou gemaak het.
That as we grow closer to Him, our lives will overflow with deep and lasting joy.
Om ons huis en ons harte oop te maak vir die wat nog nie vir Jesus ken nie.
I promise to remember and fully rely on the gospel of grace.
Dat ons harte sal brand vir Jesus en dat ons hom sal volg vir ook al hy gaan.
I promise to love, forgive and accept you as I have been loved, forgiven and accepted. And to treasure you every day.
En laastens, beloof ek om met al my gewig te val op ons ware rots, ons koning, ons ewige eggenoot.
To love you as Christ loves His church, dying to myself and my expectations, and choosing instead to serve you and to love you faithfully as long as we both shall live.
Kies de bride.
Runaway.
het hulle twee bymekaar gebring.
The night is almost gone.
Ek weet, Simon, jy gaan 'n goeie man wees vir haar.
You're the one I want. When all my fears they follow. You're the one I call. You have my heart. Supposing that you're right, it